Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, overall, a pretty slow day today. I mean, on the dollar so far. The trend is technically still up on the daily. I was thinking that maybe this big push down and this little minor break of structure was going to lead to this move up being a crutch into the last move down and maybe go down for a wave 3 or a wave C, which I still think is possible because we have not taken out the previous high yet. But we do have to keep in mind that this wave C definitely has not been proven to be over yet. Yesterday's big move down was not an engulfing candle, so technically the trend is still up on the daily. Most wave Cs do go to the 100% of wave A, and it could possibly go to the 90% or even a little bit further. So we do have to be a little bit cautious about assuming that this wave C is over. It could possibly just keep on going up. The dollar index itself is still in an uptrend for sure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.